Hidden gems of Hilo, Hawaii. Off the beaten path explorations. Discover secluded waterfalls, lush rainforests, and breathtaking views hidden from the typical tourist trail in Hilo, Hawaii.
Ocean breeze adventures, your ticket to explore. Discover hidden treasures and so much more.
Botanical Gardens Magic. Stroll through the peaceful Hawaii Tropical Botanical Garden, a hidden gem filled with exotic plants, colorful flowers, and serene pathways.
Every destination's where freedom flies. I'll show you the wonders, the places untold.
Local farmers markets. Indulge in fresh produce, handmade crafts, and delicious treats at the Hilo Farmers Market, a vibrant hub of local culture and flavors.
Discover hidden treasures and so much more. With no stress, no worry, just memories to make. Let's plan the trip of a lifetime.
Secret beaches. Escape the crowds and find solace at secluded beaches like Carl Smith Beach Park or Kahana Beach, perfect for swimming, picnicking, or simply unwinding.
Feels like a new start, ocean breeze adventures. Journeys with heart. Ocean breeze adventures, your ticket to explore. Discover
Volcanic wonders. Explore the unique landscapes of Volcanoes National Park, home to active volcanoes, lava tubes, and surreal vistas unlike anywhere else on Earth.
Let me take you where the ocean meets the sky, where dreams are waiting and the sun never hides. No more guessing, leave the plan.
Waterfall adventures. Seek out hidden waterfalls like Akaka Falls or Rainbow Falls, surrounded by tropical foliage and offering a refreshing retreat from the heat.
Your ticket to explore. Discover hidden treasures and so much more. With no stress, no worry, just memories to make.
Historic treasures. Uncover the rich history of Hilo at sites like the Lyman House Museum or the Pacific Tsunami Museum, showcasing the island's past and resilience.
Every destination's where freedom flies. I'll show you the wonders, the places untold. Adventures await, let the journey unfold.
Culinary delights. Savor authentic Hawaiian cuisine at local eateries like Hilo Bay Cafe or Island Lava Java, where fresh seafood and tropical flavors shine in every dish.
With no stress, no worry, just memories to make. Let's plan the trip of a lifetime. Your dreams await. Wherever you wander, wherever you roam.
Thanks for watching.